nature, celebrating the seasons, and I hope we can do that today.
That, in a nutshell, defines Redbird Farm. Owners Kent and Becky Evatt also define intelligent, hardworking, caring, and passionate people. They had a vision which continues to evolve today, and through dedication and perseverance, they bring new meaning to celebrating nature and the seasons through a variety of activities.
Since we're new, we're not afraid to try things.
And throughout the year, there are several activities from which to choose, but coming up is a big one. Come out to Redbird Farm to cut down your very own Christmas tree starting the day after Thanksgiving.
We'll give them a handsaw. They can go out, pick the perfect tree, and then they'll bring it up here and we'll shake it, we'll bale it, tie it on their car. It'll be the whole works.
Activities you can now look forward to next year include picking your own blackberries.
We like to do workshops that highlight things in nature. So sometimes it'll be a flower workshop.
And that was the activity the day we arrived.
When we do these flower workshops, it doesn't have to be. It's all about like finding your own style and what works for you.
The ladies then walked into a barn, literally to a beautiful flower buffet of nature's colorful clusters, or more simply, put on a flower bar.
So we take flowers that not only we grow here in the garden, but that we try and get locally. So it's been a lot of fun, and seeing that other people enjoy it too, and having them come participate in that, it's just been so special.
They do have a variety of workshops throughout the year, including how to take care of chickens, a sourdough workshop, a canning workshop, and a cake decorating workshop. But when kids show up anytime, they can feed some of the animals.
Currently we have miniature donkeys, we've got miniature sheep, there's always chickens everywhere, we got guineas, and hoping to add more animals, but that's what we have for now.
Redbird Farm is part of the growing agritourism market, but this farm also is representative of what I would call community-supported agriculture. Kent and Becky have 4 kids, and this is a family team effort as they want to celebrate the seasons and nature.
You know, a big part of the decision to even start doing this was the kids growing up on a farm environment, but also work ethic. Because when they leave this place and go out into the world, they have to have good work ethic.
We both are pretty passionate about having our kids leave this house with some grit.
Redbird Farm is fantastic. Kent and Becky make it such a welcoming and homey experience for every single person that comes in. I mean, you truly feel like family when you're out here with them. There are so many activities, and they're hands-on, and their children are working right along with them. So it's just the perfect destination for all of those things.
This Redbird Farm is just incredible. The various workshops, like the flower bar workshop today, I have been to another flower workshop about a year ago that was wonderful.
And as Becky told me, we all need to be connected with nature and all that it does for us. She says she feels in our soul there is a need to connect with nature. At Redbird Farm, perhaps you can see the light to connect and celebrate.
To make that connection and to have fun while doing it, and the joy that it brings because it's beautiful. You know, technology can't compete with that.